10 modern muscle cars that dominate the streets, engines roaring, tires gripping, pure power on the streets. This lineup isn't about comfort or luxury. It's about raw V8 performance, aggressive design, and machines built to dominate every road they touch. Stay till the end, because the final car takes things to another level. Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170. There are fast cars, and then there are machines that completely ignore limits. The Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 belongs to the second category. From the outside, it looks wide, heavy, and unapologetically aggressive. That classic muscle car shape, wide body stance, and menacing front end make one thing clear. This car isn't here to play nice. It looks like it's built for one purpose: domination. Step inside and the story continues. The interior is focused and functional. It's not about luxury or fancy materials, it's about performance. Minimal distractions, supportive seats, and a layout that reminds you this car is all about what happens when you hit the throttle. Under the hood, the Demon 170 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-litre Hemi V8 engine, producing up to an insane 1,025 horsepower and 945 pound-feet of torque when running on E85 fuel. That kind of power launches this beast from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 1.66 seconds. Yes, 1.66 seconds. The acceleration is violent, the front wheels lift, the tires struggle for grip, and the entire car feels like it's trying to break free from the ground. This isn't smooth. It's raw, brutal, and completely insane. On the street, it demands respect. Not everyone can handle it, and that's exactly the point. This isn't just a muscle car, it's a warning to everything else on the road. 9. Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Red Eye. Raw power like this doesn't ask for attention, it takes it. The Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Red Eye is built to overwhelm everything around it. From the moment you see it, the car feels intimidating. The wide stance, aggressive hood design, and muscular body lines give it a presence that's impossible to ignore. It doesn't try to look modern or sleek. It stays true to that old-school muscle car attitude. And that's exactly what makes it so dangerous. Step inside, and the focus is clear. The cabin keeps things bold and driver-focused. You get performance seats, a thick steering wheel, and just enough tech to keep things functional without distracting from the real purpose of the car. The Hellcat Red Eye packs a supercharged 6.2-litre Hemi V8 engine, producing around 797 horsepower and 707 pound-feet of torque. That massive power allows it to hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.4 seconds. Press the throttle, and the supercharger whine hits instantly. The rear wheels fight for traction, and the car surges forward with brutal force. There's no smooth build-up, no hesitation, just pure, uncontrollable energy. Handle it right, and it feels unstoppable. Handle it wrong, and it reminds you very quickly who's really in control. 8. Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. 4 doors, but absolutely no compromise on power. The Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. At first glance, it looks like a practical sedan, but the moment you notice the wide stance, aggressive front grille, and bold body lines, you realize this is something else entirely. This car blends everyday usability with pure muscle car attitude. Step inside, and the cabin keeps that same balance. You get a spacious interior, supportive performance seats, and a driver-focused layout that still feels usable for daily driving. It's one of the few cars that can carry passengers comfortably while still being built for serious performance. Under the hood, the Charger Hellcat packs a supercharged 6.2-litre Hemi V8, producing around 717 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. That power launches this full-size sedan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.6 seconds. The acceleration is aggressive, the sound is loud and deep, and the rear wheels constantly fight to keep traction. You can feel the weight of the car, but you can also feel the raw force pushing it forward. It's fast, unpredictable, and incredibly fun. A family sedan that behaves like a full-blown muscle machine, ready to break loose the moment you push it. This is where things start getting serious. 7. Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. Some cars make noise. This one makes a statement, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500. From the moment you see it, everything about this car feels intense. The aggressive front fascia, massive air intakes, and track-focused design give it a look that's built for speed, not comfort. It doesn't hide what it is, it shows it. Step inside, and the focus shifts entirely to performance. The interior feels tight and purposeful, with bolstered sports seats, a thick steering wheel, and a layout that keeps your attention locked on the road ahead. It's not about luxury touches, it's about giving the driver total control. Under the hood sits a supercharged 5.2-litre V8, delivering a massive 760 horsepower and around 625 pound-feet of torque. That kind of power launches the GT 500 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.3 seconds. Push the throttle and it doesn't ease in. It hits hard, the engine screams, the car grips, and everything happens fast enough to catch you off guard. It feels tight, aggressive, and always ready to go further than you expect. Miss your timing and it won't forgive you. Get it right, and it rewards you with one of the most intense driving experiences you can have in a muscle car. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the video. 6. Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. Not everything powerful has to be big and heavy. The Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 proves that precision can be just as dangerous. From the outside, the ZL1 looks tight, aggressive, and purpose-built. The sharp lines, wide stance, and aerodynamic design give it a look that feels ready for the track, not just the street. Step inside, and the cabin reflects that same focus. You're greeted with a driver-centered layout, performance seats, and a cockpit that feels built for control rather than comfort. Everything is positioned to keep you locked in and ready to push the car to its limits. This is not about luxury, it's about connection. And once you start driving, that connection becomes very clear. Under the hood, the Camaro ZL1 is powered by a supercharged 6.2-litre V8 engine, producing around 650 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 3.5 seconds. But what really sets it apart is how it handles that power. The car feels sharp, responsive, and incredibly planted. Through corners, it grips hard. Under acceleration, it stays controlled. Everything feels tight and precise. Push it harder, and it keeps asking for more. There's no hesitation, no softness, just pure, focused performance that keeps building the faster you go. 5. Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This isn't just another Mustang. This is where the new generation shows its true intent, the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. From the outside, it looks modern, aggressive, and more refined than the classic muscle cars. The sharp LED lighting, wider stance, and aerodynamic details give it a look that feels both street-ready and track-focused. Step inside, and the cabin reflects that evolution. You get a fully digital setup, a driver-focused layout, and performance-oriented seats that keep you locked in place. It blends modern tech with a traditional muscle car feel. And when you start driving it, the difference becomes obvious. Under the hood, the Mustang Dark Horse is powered by a naturally aspirated 5.0-litre V8, producing around 500 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 4.1 seconds. The engine revs freely, the sound builds naturally, and the car feels alive as you push it harder. There's no forced power, just pure V8 energy delivered in a more controlled and refined way. Drive it casually and it feels composed. Push it hard and it starts showing its real character, sharp, responsive, and ready to perform without hesitation. Power like this isn't easy to control. 4. Chevrolet Camaro SS. Nothing complicated here, just pure V8 muscle. The Chevrolet Camaro SS. From the outside, it keeps that classic aggressive stance. Low, wide, and bold, with sharp lines and a design that instantly reminds you what muscle cars are all about. It doesn't try to be futuristic. It stays true to its roots. Step inside, and the cabin follows the same idea. Simple layout, driver-focused controls, and performance seats that keep you in place. It's not overloaded with tech. This is the kind of car where you focus on the road, not the screens. Under the hood, the Camaro SS comes with a naturally aspirated 6.2-litre V8, producing around 455 horsepower and 455 pound-feet of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.0 seconds. The power delivery feels immediate and strong. The engine growls, the rear wheels push hard, and the car responds exactly how you expect a muscle car to respond. There's no delay, no softness, just direct mechanical power. It feels raw, loud, and honest. No tricks, no filters. Just a straight-up driving experience that reminds you why muscle cars became so popular in the first place. 3. Ford Mustang Mach 1, built with a purpose, not just for the streets, but for drivers who want more. The Ford Mustang Mach 1. From the outside, it carries a mix of classic Mustang DNA and functional performance upgrades. The aggressive front grille, unique hood design, and aerodynamic elements give it a look that feels both heritage-inspired and track-ready. Step inside, and the focus is immediately on driving. The interior feels familiar but upgraded, with sport seats, a clean dashboard layout, and just enough tech to support performance without taking over the experience. It's comfortable, but always reminds you it's built for more than just cruising. This is a car made for drivers who actually enjoy being behind the wheel. Under the hood, the Mach 1 is powered by a 5.0-litre naturally aspirated V8, delivering around 480 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4.2 seconds. The power delivery feels smooth but strong. The engine revs freely, the exhaust note builds with intensity, and the car feels more stable as you push it harder. It's not just about straight-line speed, it's about control and confidence. You can feel the balance in every movement, every corner, every acceleration. Everything feels connected, like the car is working with you, not against you. Let me know your favorite car in the comments. 2. Ford Mustang GT. No special badges, no extreme tuning, just the formula that made muscle cars famous. The Ford Mustang GT. This is where everything starts. From the outside, it carries that unmistakable Mustang identity. Long hood, short rear, aggressive front end, and a stance that instantly tells you this car is built for power. It doesn't need to look complicated. It already has a legacy behind it. Step inside, and the cabin keeps things familiar. You get a driver-focused layout, modern digital displays, and a mix of comfort and performance. It's more usable than the hardcore versions, but it still keeps that muscle car feel alive. This is the kind of car you can drive every day, without losing the excitement. And the moment you press the throttle, it delivers exactly what you expect. Under the hood, the Mustang GT is powered by a 5.0-litre naturally aspirated V8, producing around 450 horsepower and 410 pound-feet of torque. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.3 seconds. The power comes in strong and steady. The engine sound builds naturally, the rear wheels push hard, and the car feels alive in a very direct way. There's nothing artificial about it. It's all mechanical, all real. This is the car that keeps the muscle car spirit alive. Simple, powerful, and always ready to deliver when you need it. What you're looking at right now is pure muscle. 1. Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. Old school muscle never really went away, it just got louder. The Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the car feels heavy, bold, and unapologetically classic. The wide body, retro-inspired design, and aggressive stance bring back that true American muscle presence. It doesn't chase modern trends, it stays loyal to what muscle cars were always meant to be. The cabin feels simple, solid, and focused. You get performance seats, a straightforward layout, and just enough tech to keep things functional without taking away from the driving experience. It's not trying to impress with luxury, it's built to deliver a feeling. Under the hood sits a naturally aspirated 6.4-litre V8, pushing out around 485 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque. It can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 4.3 seconds. The power delivery is strong, direct, and full of character. The engine roars, the car shakes slightly, and you can feel every bit of that V8 energy as it moves forward. It's not the fastest, and it doesn't try to be, but what it gives you is something different. It gives you presence. It gives you sound. It gives you that raw connection that modern cars are slowly losing. You don't just drive this car, You experience it. And that's something numbers alone can never explain. That's the full lineup. Now I want to hear from you. Which one stands out the most, and which one would you actually take on the streets? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more content like this.